Hi, I'm Camilo Jaramillo, founder and CEO in Fokus Green, the first sustainable fashion brand in Colombia and pioneer in Latin America. We develop high-quality fashion through recycling cotton and recycling PET bottles from the ocean. And we develop also ethical fashion. Our entire production is made by Colombian hands in the best working conditions possible, free from chemicals, free from pesticides, free from dyes. We work with the recycling of PET bottles entirely in Colombia. The first step is recollecting them through these massive cleanups, and we facilitate them to our local recyclers who bring them to our suppliers. Then we apply high tech to that waste to bring it into new fibers and then into new clothing. So the complete circular process in the recycling of plastic bottles is made in Colombia, and it involves local communities, local recyclers, local factories, and local brands. We are part of a generation this time that is meant to lead a change. We tried first with organic cotton and hemp fiber, but we found out that the best way possible to make a really sustainable fashion was to making the more circular we can. So the idea is to reduce and reuse the raw materials to process new products. We don't produce what we want to produce, we produce what we can produce with our raw materials that we found in the market. The first product that we launched was t-shirts made out with recycled cotton. When you use regular cotton, you take 2,500 liters of water to produce one regular t-shirt. When you are taking recycled or upcycled cotton, you are taking 0 liters of water to produce one t-shirt. And then after a year of research and development, we found out different kind of fibers that will help us to produce new products, such as polyester made out of PET bottles. For making one regular t-shirt, we take 4 PET bottles from the ocean. And denim, upcycled denim. This is our last collection. This is the last product we're launching to the market that is made out from textile waste from the same denim. So we are saving up to 80% of water in the process for making one regular jean. This one you see is just about the philosophy that our brand is spreading: birthplace Earth, race human, politics freedom, and religion love. It's all about equity, it's all about a better future for everyone, and we try to show this same philosophy through every product we have, through every collection. We found sustainability in 3 core aspects to us that are social, environmental, and industrial. In social sustainability, we mean educating our country, educating our children, educating our industry to better habits and better practices to think, produce, and consume fashion. In environmental, we're taking up raw materials that are free of chemicals, that are upcycled. We are not producing any raw material new, but reducing and reusing all the raw materials that are left from the textile industry. And from the industrial, we are making our local industry progress through better habits, through making perfect working conditions to our workers. All the production is made by Colombian hands, so we make sure that our brand is not only sustainable but also ethical and help our country to progress in sustainability. We also are working with international and national organisms for the environmental protection, such as the National Army, for Ocean and Ocean Conservancy. We've done several massive cleanups in different beaches and oceans in our country. We've recycled more than 10 tons of plastic waste, and we've used 30,000 bottles recycled from the ocean to produce high quality fashion.